What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So as I was saying in yesterday's vlog that it was gonna snow like hell today, well, guess what? It snowed like fucking hell. It's probably gonna take a little while to adjust to the light, but right now we are about to head to Walmart, grab some stuff to eat because it's literally the only store that's open. We're gonna do some snow drifts as well, so definitely come along and enjoy this very cold, snowy day. It's a fucking winter wonderland out in this bitch, Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm sinking!
Holy shit, dude. This is a lot of snow.
This is so much fucking snow, dude. It's ridiculous. It's honestly crazy.
Dude, look at this wind. Yeah!
There we go. That four-wheel drive life.
Today my program is advice for Valentine's Day. Here's my first letter. Dear Penelope, what do I buy?
Where can I listen to sugar? Freezing. It feels like, dude, it feels like I'm in Alaska.
It's cold,
it's
and
junk
and icy. And
but we made it to Walmart safe. The Durango always eats it through the snow.
He's right here.
McCafe coffee.
I can't believe it. That's funny.
McDonald's is bullshit.
Dude, I knew exactly what you were talking about. I was just like, why are you asking?
I saw it, just didn't want to say anything. It's brutal.
He's got one guy stuck. Oh my, the wind
bullshit.
is hitting me in the face.
That's
and it's so goddamn cold. It's taking the breath out of me, honestly.
Oh, dude, look at that slipstream.
Oh my god.
We got him out. I got him out, so he's safe to drive back now. We're still out, and this is a nice corner, so I'm gonna link it. No, too much grip. I got it though. Hauling.
That feels like rally.
Hauling.
It's like rally drifting.
So right now, we're all heading out to drift the 7.3, and hopefully he links the whole thing. I'm not gonna bring the Durango, so it's just gonna be Orion drifting, but it's gonna be fun. Gonna do something with the night instead of just chilling inside, so come along. Hi, Chow.
It's so cold out.
All the snow fucking packs up. Oh, no, no. Oh.
It's so cold.
It's freezing, dude.
Hey boy!
Want to do some snow skids, bro?
Hey!
Oh, jeez! What up, no? What up, no? This is the worst part. I wish I brought gloves. Dude. I just got so roosted, yo. I'm standing on top of this snowbank, freezing my ass off to get these shots, so, make sure you subscribe, because I always have content like this.
He said he's doing it for the view.
That was so close.
To what?
The fucking bricks, dude. Was it close?
He was big.
We're still struggling here with Damien's car. The ice packed both radiator fans completely fucking full, and they wouldn't spin, so the motors were kind of cooking themselves. He got that almost completely clear, and we also have to get the snow out of the radiator here because no air is going through, but it's almost done. My camera's blinking red. If it dies, I apologize.